video, let's do the unboxing of LG IPS monitor. This is the monitor. I'm using this as my TV. Let's do the unboxing and see what's coming. Let's start. Okay guys, this is the box. In the top it is written as LG Life's Good LED TV and its model name is 24LJ47. It's 60 centimeters and down they have written some specs: mosquito away, gold TV, all-round protection place, and it's coming with built-in games. Let's see right side of the box. Right side of the box it is written as MRP 15,000 and it's manufactured on 13 June. At the left side it is written same as on the top side. Let's unbox this. Here we have stand to keep it to the TV, and we have remote control and quick start guide, warranty information, some paperwork. Let's remove this. Here we have TV itself. Let's bring out the TV. Here the TV is. It is so small cause it's 60 centimeters. This box, paper guide, warranty information. Let's keep all this aside. Let's look at the TV. At the back we have wall mount pre-installed with TV, and we have one DC input, one HDMI port, one ARC port, and one antenna port, and AV inputs. And at the right side we have one USB port. They should have given us two HDMI and two USB ports, one for ARC, for other. They have only gave us one USB and one HDMI. Let's turn on the TV and see you in the home screen. Okay guys, this is the TV and the display quality is okay at that price, and it's very small, so the pixel density is very high, so the picture clarity is superb, and the sound quality is very low. The speakers are very low and they are not sounding high. Okay guys, that's it for now. I will use this TV for few weeks. Meanwhile, 1 to 2 weeks I will post a review. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now. Peace.